Hi, my name is Dr. Kumar Vadivel. I'm a board certified periodontist and a dental specialist specializing in all-on-4 dental implants. Patients and other people that I meet ask me all the time, how long does it take to perform an all-on-4 dental implant, an all-on-4 teeth? Well, the procedure, as you might already know, it is called the same day teeth. So the simple answer is, well, whether you have complete set of teeth in the bottom that need to be removed, just like this lady we did, and a complete set of teeth that need to be removed on the top, all the teeth you're going to get them on the same day. Well, like any other procedure, there is going to be like a start and there is going to be a finish. So by the time you start and by the time you finish, the whole procedure may take several months to finish. But for you as a patient, it may not matter because behind the scenes, all the work is being done by us. And for a patient, you get the teeth on the same day. So the beauty of All-on-4 is you get your teeth on the same day, which is called the same day teeth. And the behind the scenes work may happen over a period of time, and you will get the complete final set of teeth after several months, and you get to enjoy the teeth. They look, feel, and function like natural teeth for the rest of your life. So next time when you're at your dentist, talk to them whether you are a good candidate for an all-on-4, or if you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, stop by at one of our locations and we are happy to help.